Hello, I am reviewing the trade of E-mini future on the 5th May, Tuesday, 2026. Okay, so this is daily chart. The daily chart can see that there's a very aggressive buy, and then for the past 1 week, the bull strength has been losing the steam, and we can see that it has reached the all-time high around 7,312. Okay, and Friday reaches the all-time high, and Monday there's a sell-off. So today we are likely going to be in a trading range. At least this is the bias. If to go up, it probably will not reach the all-time high because of the sell-off on Monday. Now, on the 5-minute chart, market opened with a huge gap up. There's roughly around 40 points gap up. So market in a way is bullish overnight. Yep. So first bar is bullish. So that probably determined, even though the moving average is very far below, likely the market is going to be either trading range or bullish. So first bar number one is bullish, but I'm not eager to just straight away enter because likely the yesterday's breakout is considered a leg. So we'll see that a leg usually will have a retracement after. So bar number one bullish, and then it doesn't have to follow through on bar number two, right? Because bar number one already hit the high of yesterday, right? So likely the range is quite high, maybe going down or trading range and go up. So we will have to wait at this time. Number three is a small bullish bar, still within the trading range, no trade available. Okay, number four, even though it's a breakout of the range, but it's a huge tail, so in a way that is the trading range, but likely sellers above here. And you can see that there's a resistance level here and here. Okay, but by now, bar number five is a second breakout. So in the way that right now, I think that even though I think it's going to be a trading range, but it's slightly bullish looking at the overnight price action. So at bar number five, I'm thinking of entering the market long, right? So I am going to place, okay, not yet. So from here, I'm thinking of placing when bar number six is an inside bar, right? So in the way that inside bar, and looking at the II pattern, it's a breakout mode. It's a breakout mode pattern. So from here, at the end of the bar number six, the last 5 seconds, I place a stop. Stop order, stop entry long here, because I want to bet on it's a breakout. And indeed, it's a breakout. Although once I place a stop, it go down, maybe to find more buyer here, and then reaches to the top. You can see that it's still a bullish because it's a shaved top. It's a shaved top bull bar followed by there's a good follow through. So I'm holding long. So right now I hold my stop loss here, and then I am aiming for 1:1, about 85 here. So my take profit is around this region. Okay. Okay, very good. It's still going up. However, at bar 9, it's a very surprise bar, right? If surprise bar, that probably may reset the market cycle, or at least the bear are trying to test the resolve of the bull, right? This scared me. This scared me, and by now when it closed like this, even though it didn't close below 7, I was scared out of the trade because of yesterday's price action. The bull has been grinding up, but this surprise bar 18 has reset the market, and the market went bullish for the next several bar over here. So in the way that scared me out of the trade. So even though my bar, my stop loss didn't hit, I exit the trade at bar 10 because it is still a follow through. Even though it's not a good follow through, it is a follow through. But the funny thing is, 11, it's a big reversal bar by the bull. So in a way that right now, market probably 50-50, but I would say that it is still slightly bullish. So from here, I'm going to observe the price action for the next few bars, and I am preparing to get back to the trade, likely long for now. Okay, so market hit my original price target here. So if I didn't get it out, it would be a good trade, about 10 points from bar 6 to bar 12. Okay, but the market, after hitting this price action, quickly reversed back, probably because it's also an important level around resistance level here. Okay, the next few bars span around the trading range here. Okay, bar 17, I thought it's a good reversal bull bar. Okay, so I'm thinking of getting long. Yep, so I place a stop long entry here, and then looking at, although this is my entry is here, 91, but I'm willing to look at the price action and just take a profit here. Okay, bull is not it's not strong yet, so I took a profit here in the way that break even from my loss of my first trade. You can see that price is in the trading range around here. One thing to note that from here, the price has not touched the moving average yet. So in a way that bull is still in control. Right, bull is still in control. This is a good entry bar for the bull, bar 31. Okay, and see, it's a good follow through. And from here, you can see, oh, the bar reaches a low high, but then the bear vacuum below 36, and this is a inside bar, but no breakout, surprisingly. Okay, so this is another good entry, bar 40. So we can see that it is a trading range or forming a triangle here, triangle here. Okay, bar 44 is the very first time that it closed below the moving average, but bear quickly take back in control, and 46. Again, this is a good entry. And you can see that it take a lot of bars to hit my original intended targets here. So it's a slow, and 56, I would say that likely it's going to be an exhaustion bar. 57, sorry. And after exhaustion bar, it go for the final leg and then the sell-off at the end. So today it's a bull channel, but slow bull. Now, I took two trades, one at bar 6 to bar 10 and another trade bar 18 to 21. I thought today, let me delete that. Okay, so in a way that both my stop loss, it is a good entry and it is a good stop loss and it is a good profit target. However, bar 9 scare me out of the trade. And do I regret getting out of the trade here? I don't think so. Because judging by previous day market condition, that there's a possibility that this will go even further. I'll have to stop up here and I have to think of entry short here as we're approaching the moving average. But even though if I didn't get out of the market, I would have made a profit here, right? And you can see that 1, 2, 3. So just nice at third leg, it hit my profit target. Okay, and then by here, this is a minor pullback compared to here, and bar 17, it's a very good signal bar. And I think I took a good trade here around bar 18 here. Although I should have just been conservative to bring my profit targets from 91 to here, I could took profit on the dot, maybe 1 point more, but it's okay. I thought today, even though I broke even, it's a good day. And emotionally, I was very calm, even though I said I was scared out of the bar 9, but in a way it didn't actually scare me, but rather that it is I mentally decide to take off this trade. So yeah, so that is the trade review for yesterday, 5th of May 2026 on Tuesday.